Alrighty guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a comparison of these three car shampoos. We're gonna be using the same foam cannon, so everything seems legit. So we have here the Jay Lenos Garage Ceramic Wash Shampoo. It is to be used with a foam cannon, so this was $14.97 as you can see, and we have 48 full ounces. All right, and second we have the Blackline Car Care. This one's the Ultra Foam. You have 64 ounces, and this one will set you back $12.99. Next on the list we have Adams Car Shampoo. So this one was $9.98, and you get a total of 16 full ounces. And like I said, guys, we're gonna be using the same little foam cannon because this one I can put the same amount of fluid in here as y'all can see, and the water, you control the water with this little switch right here. So I'm gonna try to keep everything the same, full blast on all of them, and here I'm gonna try to keep the same angle as well so we can see which one actually does produce the most foam. And guys, our test subject is a 2022 Toyota Corolla that is super dirty. As y'all can see, it is very, very dirty. So let's see how good these shampoos actually work. We have the Jay Lenos Garage Ceramic Wash Shampoo. This shampoo uses an SiO2 nanoparticles to create a shield around your paint that repels dirt, water, UV rays, and other environmental factors. It has a high foaming formula and leaves behind a high gloss. Now, the foaming is pretty deep, very thick. It has very good cleaning power as well. They took off a lot of the dirt. And once you let this bad boy cure, it leaves a shiny, super deep tone, and the ceramic coating helps beat off a lot of the water. Here we are washing it off. We're trying to do the same thing with all the soaps to keep everything the same. So we're taking off all the foam. It came out very easy. I didn't have to put too much power into it, and it actually took off a lot of the dirt, which was pretty surprising. But we're about to do the same thing to all the other ones to make sure that we start the test as easy as possible. Alrighty guys, and this is the Blackline Extreme Foaming Car Shampoo. This is an ultra foaming car shampoo that is designed to provide a luxurious and effective cleaning experience for your vehicle. It has high foaming formula that lifts away dirt, grime, and contaminants, leaving your car's surface spotless and ready for further detailing. It is designed for both professional and at-home car detailers. So this high foaming formula that cleanses the surfaces, lifting and encapsulating dirt, grime, and contaminants for a thorough clean. This thing is safe for all finishes, guys, and it went on super easy as well as the other one, and did produce a great amount of foam as well. Alright guys, so here we are taking off the shampoo just like we did with the first test. We're trying to keep everything nice and even. We don't want no residue from any shampoo before we put the other one on. Guys, I am using a 4000 psi gas powered pressure washer, so the same amount of pressure is going to be applied to all of them to take off. This one was coming off super easy. When I was spraying the driver's side, a lot of the soap actually flew onto the passenger, which is what I'm doing here, taking it off so the sun doesn't bake it in. But guys, this one did produce a lot of foam as well. But we have one more test left, and I am already sure which one I like. I'll let you guys know it at the end of the video, but this one is very good as well. Comes off super easy. And it did take off a little bit of the dirt that the other one left. This one took it off. Alrighty guys, and this is the Adams car shampoo. Man, I love these Adam products. I even have their detailing car, a whole bunch of other products. They are very good. This shampoo is pH neutral. It is safe to use on wax and sealants. It is concentrated formula that produces more suds with less product and rinses clean for a spot-free finish. It won't scratch or leave water spots. It is safe to use on all types of surfaces, including cars' paint job, metal, rubber, wax, and ceramic coated paintwork. And guys, this shampoo could be used in full sun like you see we're doing here. It is safe on all surfaces, including glass. So guys, this is one of the best ones, especially if you live in a sunny spot where you don't have no shade to wash your vehicles. Very, very good products. I love these. Like I said, I have a whole bunch of their products. Alrighty guys, and here we are washing off the Adams products, and now we're going to make a decision of which one we're going to use to wash the full vehicle. Since we were trying all three of them out in just one side of the car, I wanted to make sure that the product that I was going to use, I can use on the full vehicle, because I didn't want to have any difference, which I don't think would be any difference left at all. But one of them is the one that I wanted to have on all the car, which is the ceramic coating shampoo. So guys, check out the way this thing turned out. Have a blessed one. Alrighty guys, here's the final results. We actually went with the Jay Lenos ceramic to fully wash the vehicle. I went with that one because of the ceramic that it leaves on it, and I believe about all three of them about have the same amount of foam. But look how shiny this thing is, and Jay Leno's product is the winner today.